In today's session, we are going to discuss about Salesforce CRM, and we will see what exactly the Salesforce CRM and what is the use and what we can do with the help of Salesforce CRM and what are the various features that we can automate with the help of Salesforce CRM. We'll see practically today. And then as part of this today's session, we'll see what exactly the CRM process and the CRM terminology or the vocabulary that we are going to use to automate our business processes. We'll see practically today. So before starting the session, could you please let me know how many people have attended my demo sessions? Anybody has attended the demo session? Okay,
Yes, sir.
most of the people.
We attended the
Yes, sir.
So very few people are not remembered. Okay. Now, okay, fine. So let's see what exactly the Salesforce CRM and what we can do with the help of this Salesforce CRM. Now, let's see practically here. Salesforce.com is an organization. Salesforce.com is an organization which has been started in 1990s by a person called as Mark Benioff. Salesforce.com is an organization which has started by a person called as Mark Benioff in the year 1990s. So now you can raise the question, sir, when exactly they have started this organization? Salesforce.com has started in March 1999. That means since almost 20 to 21 years. So many people might be having a question in their mind, sir, Salesforce is a new technology in the market. Basically, Salesforce is not a new technology. Salesforce is available in IT industry since almost 20 to 21 years. But since almost 12 to 13 years, Salesforce is in huge demand in the market. From since almost 12 to 13 years, Salesforce is in huge demand in the market. So many customers have started using Salesforce CRM and the Salesforce products also in order to build their own custom applications also. Now, so now here in this case, you can raise the question, sir, why this Salesforce is in huge demand right now in the market? We have so many technologies available in IT industry, like we have Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, Hadoop. So many technologies are available. Then why this Salesforce is in huge demand right now in the market? So what is the benefit of using this Salesforce services? The main reason is whatever the technologies that we have in IT industry till now, it may be any programming language, it may be any software, it may be any tool, it may be any platform also, or it may be any database also. Like we are having Java, .NET, SAP, Oracle, Hadoop. These are all are purely on-premise. These are all are purely on-premise applications which requires installation first. As part of on-premise application requires the pre-installation of the software inside your local device first. First of all, we have to install, then only we can start utilizing that. So if you want to install that application, first of all, we have to buy the license. In order to buy the license, we have to do the huge investment. That is the first major problem here. Second one, we have to maintain a high configuration server. We have to maintain a high configuration server in order to install that software. So that we have to do the huge investment again in order to buy a high configuration server, which will be having the capability of storing some terabytes of information, which provides more faster performance, which provides more security for your data as well. So that we have to do the huge investment. So now in this case, it is keep on increasing the investment for the customers. So the big customers or the big organizations, they can do that much of investment to invest that huge amount to buy the expensive license of the software to maintain their own physical infrastructure also. But what about startup organizations, small organizations, mid-sized organizations? In this case, for this organization, it will be very difficult because these are the recently started companies. So they're having very less number of customers. They're getting very less revenue. They're getting very less profit also. So these people can't do that much of huge investment. So it will be very difficult for the startup organizations, small organizations, and the mid-sized organizations to do that much of huge investment to buy the expensive license of software and to maintain their own physical infrastructure by maintaining their own high configuration server. So in this case, so many people are going to be adopting Salesforce services. Why? Because from the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services. They're purely offering cloud services. Then what do you mean by cloud services? Cloud services can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access, without having any installations, without maintaining any prerequisite software inside your local device, without maintaining any prerequisite hardware configuration like as 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte of memory, nothing. Forget about all these things. Just we need browser and the internet access. In order to access our cloud application, we don't want any latest system. We don't want any high configuration system. Just with the help of browser and the internet access, we can access your cloud applications as well. That is a major advantage here as part of cloud services. So in this case, from the beginning of this organization, they're purely offering cloud services. The two, these cloud services will be available to the customers on rental basis. We no need to do the huge investment, just we can pay the rental amount, we can access the services over here. Like in the real world, we are taking so many resources on rental basis. We are taking some flats on rental basis in the real world to stay with our family. We are taking cars on rental basis to travel from one place to another place. We are utilizing internet access on rental basis. We are taking electricity on rental basis. We are taking water facility on rental basis. So many resources we are taking on rental basis nowadays in the real world. Like the similar way, we can take IT resources also on rental basis by contact this Salesforce.com organization. So from Salesforce.com, we can take each and every IT resource on rental basis. Just we can pay the rental amount. They're offering the services to you. We can access them just with the help of browser and internet access without having any installations. We no need to install anything in our local system. Everything will be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access itself. So whatever the device that we have, it may be a desktop, it may be a laptop, it may be a mobile, it may be a smartphone, it may be tab, it may be any other device which is having browser and the internet access capability. Those devices are capable to access your cloud applications. So cloud applications can be accessible by using any device whatever we have which is having browser and the internet access capability. We don't want any laptops mandatorily. We don't want desktops mandatorily. We don't want any high configuration system. Even though you are having a very old system which is having 256 MB of RAM, that is also capable to access your cloud applications. That is a major benefit. So investment has been completely reduced as part of this Salesforce because of the cloud services. So we no need to do the huge investment. We can able to just to pay the rental amount, access that service, and that too we no need to maintain a high configuration system. Use your own old system also. Through that old system we can access those services to automate our business processes. For that reason, so many clients are adopting Salesforce services nowadays. That's what we have the huge demand for Salesforce. So that Salesforce services are accessing by almost 150,000 companies. So they have started this company in March 1999, okay, by the person Mark Benioff, okay, with the 2 employees. While starting this company, they have started this company with the 2 employees, but now 150,000 companies are using Salesforce services, which includes banking, finance, insurance, healthcare, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, energy, oil and gas, hospitality, e-commerce, supply chain, everybody, each and every company is using Salesforce. Even though when you go to the banking organizations, they are using Salesforce nowadays. Every banking organization is using Salesforce applications. Okay, now, so Salesforce is purely offering cloud services which can be accessible just with the help of browser and internet access. Okay, clear up to this one? Now, so basically, Salesforce offers
ఏదో
three
ఒకటి అని చెప్పినాను
classifications of services to their customers. Now, Salesforce offers three classifications of services to their customers on rental basis. Let me explain each and every category of service offered by Salesforce to their customer on rental basis. Now let's see. Now, Salesforce offers three classifications of services. Three classifications of services. What are those three classifications? First one, software as a service. Second one, platform as a service.
Infrastructure.
Third one,
Infrastructure.
as a service. Now, as part of this course, I will be covering all these three parts also. Okay, I will be covering all these three parts. Ready-made software also, how to build our own custom applications by using platform also, how to manage our data through infrastructure also. All these three parts we are going to cover as part of this. Okay, now. So now here in this case, Salesforce offers three classifications of services: SaaS, and the platform, and the infrastructure. Now, let me give the full form of this SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service. Second one, platform as a service. Third one, infrastructure as a service. So these are the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to their customers on rental basis. So whatever the services offered by Salesforce, these services will be available to each and every customer on rental basis. Now, suppose for example, come to a small scenario. Assume that in my system, I don't have MS Office. Okay, I don't have MS Office here. Now, I want to prepare some business related documents like my business proposals, quotations, orders, contracts, invoices, the various documentations I want to prepare, and the various presentations I want to prepare so that I can give some demo to my customers also. So now tell me, without installing this MS Office inside my local system, can you prepare some documentations and presentations, all these things? No, we can't do that. So now tell me in this case what needs to be done. First of all, install the MS Office into your local system. Then only we can use those tools. We can build your own documents and then presentations, whatever you want. Now tell me, will the MS Office is available on free? No. MS Office is not a free software from Microsoft. MS Office is purely available on license based. We have to buy the license by investing the huge amount. Buy the license of this MS Office by contacting Microsoft or Microsoft partners and then get that software, install the software inside your local system. Then only we can use that software tools to prepare your own effective documentations and the presentations. That means, so whatever the software that we have in IT industry right now, those always requires installation. The two, we need to buy the license. But Salesforce is purely offering each and every feature to you as a service which we can take it on rental basis. We no need to buy the license, take it on rental basis. Okay, it's purely rental available. This each and every resource will be available to you on rental basis. Okay, now. So in this case, so we'll see what will be the rental cost of each and every resource. We'll see one by one when moving forward here. Okay, now let's see. The first one, software as a service. Now tell me, what do you mean by a software? What do you mean by a software? Software in the sense you are using so many softwares every day in your personal PC. Hmm.
It's a collection of applications.
Hmm. What exactly a software? Every day are you using operating system or not? Antivirus softwares are not? MS
Yes,
Office are not? Some media
It's
players
a
are not to play some audio, video, songs, and everything. Yes. Now,
it's
then
a
what
collection of
exactly is
code.
software now?
It's a
Hmm.
collection of code. Code
Now,
which is written by the developer so that it can perform a particular task to the particular customer and make that person's life easy.
right. Exactly. Now, for example, I have Microsoft Paint. It's a paint application. It's a software. So what it contains, Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains so many features available inside it. It provides so many features which are used to draw something, which are used to design something, which are used to represent something. So that if you want to design your own pictures, your own designs, then we can go with the help of Microsoft Paint. So Microsoft Paint is a ready-made software which contains a group of features to design your own pictures and the images, whatever you want. Now, for example, we are having Microsoft Word. So Word is a ready-made software which contains so many features to prepare your own documentations. In order to prepare some effective documentations, whatever the features are required, all are available here. Like the similar way, when coming to the software, software is nothing but a ready-made application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. In order to store your business related data, in order to automate your business processes, whatever the features are required, all the features will be available in the form of ready made. So those are called as software. So software is nothing but a ready made application. It's a pre-built application which contains a group of features which we can use to automate our business processes. Now, so in this case here, software as a service. That means what? Whatever the softwares that we have, whatever the ready-made applications that we have in IT industry, if that software is exactly suits to your business, then you can take that software as a service. That means we can utilize that software on rental basis. We no need to buy the software license. We no need to do the huge investment. We can take them as a service. As a service means what? We can take it on rental basis. So we can take some ready-made softwares as a service. That means on rental basis. With the help of this SaaS feature, with the help of SaaS feature, we can take some ready-made softwares on rental basis. Okay, understood the concept here? Whenever we are utilizing some ready-made softwares on rental basis, then it is called as software as a service. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. Let me give the note point here. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made applications on rental basis. By using SaaS features, we can take the ready-made applications on rental basis. Now, so now in this case here, as part of Salesforce, what ready-made software Salesforce offers to their customers on rental basis? Anyone? The people who have attended my demo session. Salesforce CRM. So as part of SaaS, Salesforce is providing a ready-made application called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM. Salesforce offers a ready-made application, a ready-made software called as Salesforce CRM, which can be utilized by the customers to automate our business processes. And this application can be accessible just with the help of browser and the internet access by paying the rental amount to that Salesforce.com organization. Okay. Now, so in this case, let's see what exactly is a Salesforce CRM and what is the terminology of this Salesforce CRM. Now let me digging into the concept here. Okay, now. So let's digging into the concept now. What exactly is CRM? What a CRM stands for? Why this a Salesforce CRM is in huge demand right now in the market here? And what we can do with the help of this Salesforce CRM? And then what terminology we are going to use. Okay, now let's see. Now, let's see what exactly is Salesforce CRM. Now, tell me here, what do you mean by CRM? CRM stands for what?
Customer
Customer
relationship
Relationship
management.
Management. Now,
relationship management.
customer relationship management.
Management.
CRM stands for customer relationship management. Then, what is customer relationship management? What is customer relationship management?
Interact with
No,
clients.
knowing their
The
requirements,
requirement
Okay,
of the customers.
knowing their business requirements.
okay,
So,
okay.
you buy
Organization, okay,
some
right.
product, okay. You go to
Anyways,
Flipkart. Hello.
now,
Yeah.
let's see.
You go to
So what exactly this is CRM? Now let me explain, okay, each and every process and what we can do with the help of the Salesforce CRM. Now let's see. And that too, why do we need to go for Salesforce CRM? Even though we are having so many other CRM applications, let's see one by one. Now, basically, for every organization or for every business, okay, customer is the base. Customer is the god for every organization. It may be a small organization also. It may be a very big MNC also. For every organization, customer is the base. Customer is a god for every organization. Because without the customer, we can't run the business. We can't sell out the products. We can't generate the revenue. We can't get the profits. So that customer is the base for every organization. It may be a small hotel also. It may be very big MNC also. For every organization, customer is the base. Without the customer, we can't run the business. So in this case, as an organization, it is our responsibility whenever we have captured a new customer by selling out the products, we have to maintain a proper association with the customer. We have to collect the customer's data. We have to store somewhere inside my local organization because in future, if we require, I can communicate with my customer also. I can communicate with my customer also. I can collect some feedback also from my customer. Based on the feedback, we can do some quality products to my customers as well. So in this case here, always we should be interacting with the customers here. It's an responsibility of the organization. So not only selling out the product, not only selling out the product, always we should be in touch with the customer. We have to maintain a proper relationship with our customers. So now here in this case, whenever if you want to automate your customers' data at one place, whenever if you want to automate, if you want to store all your existing customers and the new customers' data at one place, we are using a ready-made application. We want a software to store all our customers' data. So now in this case, now tell me, can't we store my customers' data inside my notepad application? Can't we store my customers' data inside my Excel sheet? Yes, we can store the data also. But the problem is, if I'm storing my customers' data inside this Excel sheet or inside a notepad document, these two are file systems. These are purely files. A notepad is a file, Excel sheet is a file. So file systems won't provide the much security for your data. Suppose today I'm creating a notepad. In this notepad today I have stored all my customers' data. Tomorrow, somebody will use my system. Once a double click on the file will get opened. Other people can see my customers' data also. They can modify my customers' data. They can delete my customers' data and they can do some malfunctioning also. So there is no proper security. And the two, if my system has been attacked with some virus, then I will be formatting the system. Whenever I'm formatting the system, whole files will be getting deleted. So automatically my customers' data will be lost. So for every organization, for every business, data is asset. Data is asset for the organization. Data is asset for the business. Losing the data means losing the customer, losing the business, losing the revenue, losing the profit, losing the credibility in the market also. So for that reason, as an organization, it is my responsibility. I need to collect my customers' data. I need to store somewhere which provides more security, which provides permanent storage of my customers' data. Because without my customers' data, I can't run the business here. So in this case, what is that safe place? What is that application where we can store all our customers' data, where we can automate all our customers' interactions at one place? For that one, we are using the help of the applications called as customer relationship management. So, customer relationship management is a application which provides all the facilities to automate all your customers' data at one place. He may be an existing customer who is utilizing your product since very long time, or he may be a new customer who recently bought your product also. All the customers' data we can able to place at one place with the help of customer relationship management applications. So, customer relationship management is a ready-made application which is allows us to automate all your existing and the new customers' data at one place. Okay, now, so now tell me in this case here, what kind of CRM applications do you know? Only Salesforce CRM, or do we have any other CRM applications in IT industry?
Microsoft
SAP
CRM,
CRM, right?
CRM, SAP CRM,
Oracle CRM, SAP CRM, right?
CRM.
Microsoft Dynamics.
Dynamics CRM from Microsoft. Hmm. We have so many CRM applications are available here. Like we have Sugar CRM. Sugar CRM is a very, very older CRM application which is available in IT industry since almost the 30 to 40 years. It's a very, very older CRM application. And then we have PeopleSoft CRM. We have Siebel CRM. We have Infor CRM.
Workday CRM.
We have Synergy CRM. We have NetSuite CRM. We have Adobe CRM. We have Microsoft CRM. We have Oracle CRM. We have SAP CRM. Like that, we have so many CRM applications are available in IT industry since almost very long back, since almost 30 to 40 years. So now in this case here, even though I'm having so many number of CRM applications in the IT industry, why should we go for Salesforce CRM? Okay, why should we go for Salesforce CRM? Why can't we go with this existing CRM application? What drawbacks that we have in existing CRM and what benefits that we have in Salesforce CRM now? On demand, right? Next. On demand means cloud feature, right?
It's cheap,
Okay.
reasonable.
It's a
Now, let's see. Let me explain
Affordable.
what are the drawbacks that we have in this existing CRM application. The first drawback in this existing CRM applications are whatever the existing CRM applications that we have, these are purely on-premises CRM applications. These are purely on-premises CRM applications. What do you mean by on-premise? Which requires installation first. Okay, on-premise CRM application requires installation. So we have to buy the software license. It may be Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft, CBell, Infor, whatever anything. Buy the license of the software, get the software, maintain your own server. Inside the server, we have to install it first. Once you are done with the installation, then only we can use that software to automate your business data. Then only we can automate to store your customers' data. So these are purely on-premise CRM, which requires installation first, which increase the investment over here. Okay, now this is the first problem. Second problem is, whatever the CRM applications that we have, these CRM applications are strictly CRM applications. These are strictly CRM applications. What do you mean by strictly CRM applications? Now let me explain. Okay, now. So now strictly CRM applications in the sense, whatever the CRM applications that we have right now, okay, in IT industry, like as it may be Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft, CBell, whatever anything, these are purely offering, okay, these are purely offering the ready-made functionalities to automate your customers' data. Okay, these are just the CRM application to store your customers' data, to store your business data, to store your sales data, service data, marketing data. That's it. But by using this CRM application, you can't build any of your custom application. By using this CRM software, I want to develop a banking application. I want to develop a finance application. I want to develop an insurance application, but we can't do that. Okay, but we can't do that here. Okay, but we can't do that. So these are strictly CRM applications which are providing some set of ready-made features which we can use to automate your business data. But we can't build any of our custom applications like banking, finance, insurance, healthcare. Like that, we can't build any of these applications because we don't have any platform with them. These are purely CRM applications which are providing some ready-made functionalities. Now, like for example, we are having Microsoft Word. So now whenever we are preparing the notepads, whenever we're preparing some documentations, so many options are available in Microsoft Word. Now tell me, can you add some more features to the Microsoft Word by your own? No, we can't do any more customizations. Can we remove some of the functionalities here? No, we can't do that. These are fixed. Whatever the features are available, these features we can use. If we want, we can use that. If we don't want that feature, leave it, no problem. But we can't add any more additional functionalities to this Microsoft Word, or it may be any other applications also, because these are fixed applications. Now, so like the similar way as part of these existing CRM applications, these existing CRM applications are strictly CRM, which doesn't provide any platform to build your own custom applications. This is the second major drawback here. Third drawback is upgradation. Third drawback is upgradation. What do you mean by upgradation? Upgrading in the sense adding features. How? How frequently? No. Upgradations in the sense, like in your mobiles also, similar concept. New models.
They don't add
New models. Like for example, if it is an iPhone, we are having initially like some iPhone 8, and then 9, and then 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. That means keep on new models of products has been introduced into the market with some new designs, with some new features, with some new colors, with some new configuration also. So now in this case, these are nothing but upgradations. So in this case, for example, as part of my organization, I'm using Sugar CRM. Initially, I have purchased that version 1.0, the first version of Sugar CRM I have purchased. I have installed into my local system. I'm using the Sugar CRM to store all my customers' data. For example, recently, the organization has introduced the latest version of Sugar CRM, that is version 2.0, which is having some latest features. Then what needs to be done? We have to buy the license of the latest version of the software. We have to upgrade into your local device so that we can able to enjoy the benefits of latest features also. That means what? Once you are purchasing the on-premise application, keep on, we have to upgrade that software whenever you got a new release into the market. Whenever if we got a new release into the market, the latest upgradation, we have to do that upgradation manually by your own. For that reason, we have to do the huge investment. We have to buy the latest version of the license by investing a huge amount in order to upgrade that software into the local system to enjoy the benefits of latest features. So in this case, these are the three major drawbacks are available as part of existing CRM applications. In existing CRM applications, the first drawback is these are purely on-premise, which requires installation first. Second one, these are strictly CRM applications which doesn't provide any platform to build your own custom applications like banking, finance, insurance, healthcare kind of applications. We can't build these kind of applications because these are strictly offering some ready-made functionalities which we can use to automate our business processes. Third one, whenever you are using these on-premise applications, keep on, we have to upgrade this software whenever you got a new release into the market here. These are few major drawbacks are available as part of existing CRM applications. So many clients are adopting a new CRM called as Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM. So many clients are adopting Salesforce CRM. Why? Why Salesforce CRM? Here, what benefits that we have in Salesforce CRM? Now, let me explain. So, basically, Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application introduced by Salesforce.com in the year 2000. In the year 2000, Salesforce has introduced this Salesforce CRM, which is the world's first cloud CRM application. You know what exactly cloud application, what exactly on-premise. On-premise application requires installation. Cloud application doesn't require installation. Just by using browser and the internet access, we can access it. Okay. Now the two cloud applications, we can take it on rental basis here. We can pay the rental amount. We can access that resource with the help of browser and the internet access. So Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application that we have in IT industry. Okay, now it is the world's first cloud CRM application. It is the world's first cloud CRM application, okay, introduced by Salesforce.com in the year 2000. Okay, in the year 2000. Now, so by using this Salesforce CRM, what we can do? With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your customers' information. He may be your existing customer or he may be a new customer also. All the customers' information we can automate it to one place with the help of Salesforce CRM. Okay, we can automate all your existing and the new customers' information at one place by using Salesforce CRM. Now, we can automate all the existing and the new customers' data at one place. Now, next. Third one. By using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your sales processes, service processes, and the marketing processes of your organization at one place. That means what? With the help of this Salesforce CRM application to automate your business, whatever the features are required, all those features are available inbuilt. Like it will be having the sales application inbuilt, service application inbuilt, marketing features are also inbuilt. So for every business, these three departments are common: marketing, sales, and the service. Remaining are additional. Okay, remaining like as finance division or HR division, or it may be insurance also, banking also, shipments also. These are additionally we can able to add. But commonly we are having okay, three divisions for every organization. It may be a small hotel or a restaurant or a supermarket, or it may be very big MNC company also here. For every organization, these three departments are common: marketing to do the promotions, sales to sell out the products, service to provide the services to the customers. These three are common here. So as part of this Salesforce CRM, these three functionalities are inbuilt available. So by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate all your sales processes, service processes, and the marketing processes. Okay, everything we can able to automate at one place by using Salesforce CRM application. Okay, now, so automating the processes in the sense storing that related data, sales related data we can store. That means our customers data, their contacts data, our products data, our revenues information, everything we can store. That is nothing but automation over here, simply. Okay, now, so by using this Salesforce CRM, we can automate our sales related data, service related data, and the marketing related data at one place here. Clear? Now, we can
Thank you,
automate
Mr. Feroz. Just one question.
all the sales, service,
Hello.
and marketing processes at one place. Done? Now, let's see. Here you can raise the question. Sir, do we have any possibility to customize this CRM application according to my business requirement? Yes. So whatever the features they have given to us, we can able to use those features, and according to our business requirement, we can customize them also. Because organization to organization, business to business, client to client, their processes may be different here. Their strategies may be different. So in this case, can we customize the application according to my business requirement? Yes, everything we can customize. Salesforce has given so many plenty of customizations according to the business need. According to the customer requirement, we can do the customizations whatever we need. And along with that, we can add some more additional functionalities also. Like for example, by default, Salesforce is providing sales and the service and the marketing. Along with, if you want some more custom applications, like as custom features related to banking also, finance also, insurance related, healthcare related, whatever you want, we can build. For that one, we have a ready-made platform is available with us. Because these are strictly CRM applications, but Salesforce CRM is not only having the CRM functionality, it has come up with a platform also. It has come up with a platform. Through that platform, we can do our own customizations according to the business requirement. Just by using mouse clicks, we can able to customize the functionalities also. Those features are available according to the business needs. We no need to write much lines of code in Salesforce development. Most of the features are configurable features which we can do with the help of declaratively. That means just by using mouse clicks also, by using drag and drop also, we can do the customizations. So you no need be a technical guy. If you're a business person, if you know how to customize, then you can do it by your own. We don't want any technical people. We don't want a developer, especially to do the customizations according to the business needs. If it is a small customizations, we can do by your own as a business person. If it is a major change, if you don't know how to do that, then we can able to hire a developer who can do this work for you. So in this case, most of the features are customizable here according to the business requirement. Okay, now, so now we can customize. We can customize the features based on the business requirement, and we can build the additional features by using the platform, by using the cloud platform offered by Salesforce. So what is the platform offered by Salesforce? What is the platform name? Force.com.
Force.com.
Okay, Force.com platform. During the demo session, we have discussed Salesforce is not only offering the CRM application, they have offered a platform also that is called as Force.com platform. Now, next one. By using this Salesforce CRM, we can maintain 360-degree view of the customer. 360-degree view of the customer. What do you mean by this 360-degree view? What exactly the 360-degree view? Now, let me explain. With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can maintain the complete history of the customer at one place. Like, for example, assume that. For example, 10 years back, I have started a restaurant in Amirpet. For example, 10 years back, I have started a restaurant. In 2012, I have started a restaurant here in Amirpet. So during that time, he is my first customer here. Okay. In 2012, he is my first customer. Since last 10 years, he is keep on visiting this restaurant also. He is purchasing the various products as well. Now my requirement is, since the last 10 years, how many times this customer has visited my organization? How many products he has purchased? How much revenue I have generated from this customer? How much profit I got from this customer till now? What kind of discounts I have offered to the customer? What kind of benefits I have offered to the customer? What kind of services I have offered to the customer? What kind of complaints he has raised till now? Everything I would like to automate at one place with the help of 360-degree view. Okay, 360-degree view. 360-degree view means what? It's complete history. The complete history of the customer at one place. Okay, the complete history of the customer at one place here. Now, for example, come to a small scenario over here. Assume that I'm applying for a loan, for a bank loan, okay, for my personal loan or home loan, whatever. Whenever you are trying to be applying for a personal loan, then the bank people will be collecting some necessary documentations for you. Like they will be collecting your identity proofs also, like as your Aadhaar card number, PAN number, they will collect that. Just by using that Aadhaar card number or the PAN number, they will track your complete history also. Your complete history, they will cross-check that. Based on your PAN number, they will check your credit history. That means till now, in how many banks you are having loans. So whatever those loan status, whether you are making the payment of that EMI on time or not, if there is any settled loans available or not. Okay, is there any loans are available which are in pending status or not? How many credit cards that we have? How many bank accounts that we have? Everything they would like to cross-check just by using your PAN number or Aadhaar card number. So they can check your complete history at one place. We no need to give all these details to them. Just when I'm giving my PAN number and the Aadhaar card number, they will track everything here. They can track my complete history. So in this case, like the similar way here also, by using this Salesforce CRM, we can track the complete history of the customer at one place also. That facility is available over here. Okay, all the functionalities inbuilt as part of Salesforce CRM. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now we can automate the 360-degree view of the customer in one place. With the help of this Salesforce CRM, we can automate the complete 360-degree view of the customer at one place. Now, that's what here so many customers are adopting Salesforce CRM functionalities. And one more major benefit in Salesforce CRM is Salesforce CRM provides inbuilt analytics feature. It provides inbuilt analytics feature. By using this analytics feature, analytics in the sense what? Reports and dashboards. Okay, analytics in the sense reports and dashboards functionalities. Now, generally when you go to this other CRM application which we have in the past, like in this CRM application, we don't have any proper reporting features. We can store the data, but fine. But by end of the day, I need to generate some reports to know my business performance, whether my business is in growing stage or whether today we got some loss. Everything I would like to check it out just by using the reports. It may be daily report, weekly report, monthly report, quarterly report also. Based on that report only, we can guess, we can identify the performance of our business, the growth of our business. So now here in this case, when coming to the existing CRM applications, we don't have any analytics features by default. We need to rely on some additional analytics functionalities by using some third-party tools. So to store the customers data and the sales data, service data, we are using this CRM application, and then to generate some reports, we have to use some third-party tools. Like we can use the Tableau, we can use that ClickView, we can use that ClickView. Now, like that, we are using some third-party tools over here. So many third-party tools are available in the internet, which the people are using in order to generating, especially for the reporting purpose, to show that reports, to represent the data in pictorial format, like as horizontal bar charts, vertical bar charts, pie charts, everything we can able to represent. Now, in this case, is it really necessary for me, okay, to store the data one separate application, to generate the reports one separate application? It will be increasing the investment, right? Yes. We have to buy the license of the CRM. We have to buy the license of this reporting tools also. It's a double investment over here. We have to invest